In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files from OneDrive but keep them on your PC. If you've ever found yourself wanting to free up your OneDrive storage but keep your files locally, you're in the right place. Let's dive into this process step by step. First, we need to navigate to File Explorer on your computer. You'll find it as the folder icon typically located on your taskbar or Start menu. Open it up and you'll see a list of locations on your PC, including your documents, downloads, and importantly, OneDrive. Next, within File Explorer, click on OneDrive in the navigation pane on the left side of the window. This action will open your OneDrive folder, where all the files and folders synced from your OneDrive account are stored. Here lies the heart of the files you want to manage. Now, here's the important part. Select the files or folders you want to keep on your PC but remove from OneDrive. You can hold the Control key on your keyboard while clicking to select multiple files or folders. Once you've made your selection, the files will be highlighted, indicating they're ready for the next step. From here, simply drag and drop these selected files into a different folder on your PC or laptop, outside of OneDrive. You can create a special folder specifically for these files if you want to keep things organized. By doing this, you're ensuring a copy of the files is safely stored on your computer. Once you've successfully moved your files, head back to the OneDrive folder in File Explorer. Locate the same files or folders, right-click on any selected file, and navigate to the option that says Free Up Space. This option is vital. By selecting it, you're essentially clearing these files from your OneDrive's local folder cache without affecting the copies you've moved elsewhere on your PC. Next, we transition to OneDrive Online. Open your preferred web browser and log into your OneDrive account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Files section. Here you'll find an overview of all the files currently stored in your OneDrive cloud. Your last step is straightforward. Identify those same files or folders, select them, and simply delete them by clicking on the Delete button or using the Delete option in the context menu. This action removes the files from the cloud storage, effectively freeing up space without affecting the versions you kept on your PC. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've managed to delete files from OneDrive while keeping them secure on your computer. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you maintain better control over your file storage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.